I was hoping to find you on the back patio.
Yeah, well, you found me in my pajamas too, so let's not say we did.
Well, hey, at least I didn't find you in the outfit you were wearing last night. So, seeing that I got you back here, maybe we could show the audience some of your new purchases for this beautiful patio addition.
Well, I'd like to show them when it actually looks good and not when I'm...
You know, everything looks good. You look great in the morning, honey.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. I'm just trying to clean up this stuff quickly.
So,
I'm enjoying my coffee and my morning walk and my Sunday morning, and I'd like to not share it with the world.
well, unfortunately, if you're going to make a gardening channel, you're going to have to be real.
You are making a gardening channel.
I'm not making this. This is all about you, honey.
I'm making gardens. You are just a camera-obsessed crazy man.
I'm just a wife-obsessed crazy man. So listen, last we left, we were putting up this arbor here.
Yes.
The Evel Knievel Ring of Fire arbor, I call it.
Yeah.
And it looks like we've added a couple new items.
Yes.
Would you like to really tell the story about this back patio and how it all started with a free table from your friend? A free table has cost me about 10 grand. Am I correct?
Well, it didn't really cost you. I used my money, but yes.
We're married. It's our money.
My money is my money and your money is my money.
Yeah, it's funny how it becomes your money when you want to buy something. But yeah, when it comes to paying bills, it's my money, isn't it?
I'm not having this conversation on a beautiful Sunday morning. If you want to join me for what I'm enjoying out here, fine. But I'm not talking money. I'm not talking anything. I'm talking beautiful. Listen, birds chirping, pajamas. I'm in my Sunday best.
Yeah.
That's embarrassing.
Well, you know what? Look, it's all part of the deal. I think that's why people actually like you.
Oh, well, you can get these at Walmart.
Yeah, well, hey, we're not doing a product endorsement video here.
I didn't think we were.
So, I didn't know we had a stream out back. It does sound like we have running water, and I see there's a bridge behind you. Could you explain that? Is that a pug bridge? What is that bridge for?
Because I didn't think about when people, like when we come out the house, we go to the patio from the stairs. But when people like come here and they walk around, to get onto the patio, there's like this big metal edge here and like rocks that are really not like great for walking on.
What do you think, Jax?
So I dug out some of the lawn.
It's the
and
pug
I put
bridge.
the bridge on because it's a much easier transition, and I think it's kind of cute. I haven't decided how I'm going to landscape this, but temporarily I have pots of flowers there.
Well, with the size of Cleo, we might want to put a weight limit sign.
Actually, that holds 350, that little bridge.
It does?
Yes. Can you believe it?
Wow.
Really? Yeah.
Unbelievable.
350 pounds.
What is hot?
Well, we'll see when Cleo comes across it. So, I'm sure we won't get a price on that, right?
Roughly.
Like
I'm not talking prices this morning, so and it doesn't matter because it's already here.
Well, I'm not worried about that. It's not like we're going to send it back. I'm sure someone at home right now wants to know what that would cost. They probably are like, wow.
It's $150 roughly.
What? Exactly, Blake. Huh? That could have been 5 video games. All right. Yeah, that's great, honey.
And I had to put it together. Me and Blake put it together before you got home.
Yeah. Well,
actually, no, you came home like during it. I forget what I needed. The drill. I had to find the drill. I had to charge the drill battery because, of course.
well, I'm sure, you know, I'm sure you're going to sell a few because it's, yeah, it's great. The bridge to nowhere.
It's cute. You don't have to criticize my purchases.
Well,
and it matches the house, and it matches my bench, and the patio is silver and gray, bluestone. So I like that it ties in the house with the rustic theme we have going on there. And the bench that I chose to put under the arbor is also that brown hue because it just ties things in my opinion.
All right, well, so we're safe if we get a heavy rainstorm and a flash flood. We'll have a way to escape to higher ground. We'll make it to your shade garden.
Yeah.
What's up with the fountain?
I love it. That is from Campania.
What is Campania?
Campania is a company that does like stone everything. They have planters and fountains and bird baths and fountain bird baths, which is the one I chose. And
The
that's
Crusher.
not door. That's not Crusher. That's Jack's.
Ah,
Thank you.
these pugs, they love the heat.
They sound disgusting.
Boy.
Anyway, this company makes amazing stone things, planters, just garden decor. They have accents. Actually, Finn, that big griffin in my shade garden, I purchased him. Oh, and this. They make this too. This is Whimper.
Whimper?
Yes. He's a little griffin called Whimper.
What is a griffin?
Him. It's not really a gargoyle, but it's like a mythological little dragonish creature with wings. Anyway, he's cute. And my friend Kathleen found one that is sitting in an eggshell, a broken eggshell, and it's named Shelly, just like me. And I want him.
You need to stay off the internet.
I know. Those are only like $60.
Yeah. Oh, only 60.
Yes, now that we're talking money. And you know what? Why not? I'll tell you what everything costs.
All right, good. Well, we're up to 210 now. Not that I'm counting. What's up with the globe out back here? What is this thing?
What globe?
What is this?
Oh, that was from a long time ago. That's rusting. That was in my potting shed. I bought that to put somewhere, and right now it fits because the peony is so little, and I need something to hold that cord up off my peony plant, so it's working for that right now. It won't stay there, but...
Is it like a compass or something? Is it a sundial?
No, it's definitely not a sun. Oh, but I need one of those.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
No, I've been looking at sundials. I think that would be awesome.
So
But
how
anyway,
come you didn't go with the little guy taking a leak? Statue fountain.
the little guy taking a leak, come
Yeah,
on.
like a little... Isn't there like a little bare naked kid that takes a leak or something
I don't
fountain?
know. Not my thing, I guess.
Well, it's a good topic of conversation, you know? Be a good
Not to me.
conversation piece or something.
Yeah.
I would have liked it. This looks like just a boring bird bath to me. And I haven't seen one bird come over here yet.
It's really for the sound of water. Although it does function like a bird bath. They can't drown in it.
And what does a fountain like that run?
$260.
Mmm.
I had to special order that from a nursery because... And I had to wait for it to come in last year because COVID. I ordered it at the beginning of the season. Actually, I went to the nursery and I stalled on buying it because of the price. And then I went back and someone bought it. So I had to special order it. And then I had to wait for it because COVID shipping times last year were horrible. And I didn't get it until the end of the season. So I didn't get to set it up. So it sat in the basement like brand new all season. And now... Listen, we have like running water. I mean, it's like a babbling brook. It's just a nice tranquil sound when you're out here trying to enjoy your Sunday morning.
Sounds like a men's restroom. Got a rest area somewhere. Please. What do you think?
I think you're ruining my morning.
What about the bench over here? The one that I broke my back on.
Well, maybe you could tell about it then. And you had such a macho experience with it.
It wasn't a macho experience.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's like, it's in 3 pieces, but it is heavy. I am barely able to carry the other side with you.
I got the heavy end. The whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, when we carried it around, I barely was able to do it. That is a heavy bench. That's an estate bench. I believe... I can't remember. The name is carved in the top of the legs there. So I'd have to lift up the seat to see it. But it's heavy. I can't tell you what that cost.
You can, but you won't.
Correct.
All right.
Yeah. But I love that it's like it ties in the brown here. It ties in the bridge. I like that some of the hardscapes are that neutral brown color, because this patio with the bluestone and the teal umbrella and the metro stripe chairs from Woodard, which I can't also tell you how much these cost. I picked this. I even picked the fabric on this.
How about this? Is it safe to say that this free table costs us about 10 grand?
Mm-mm.
More?
Oh wait, including the patio?
Well, yeah. I'll take the accessory price right now, but
Right now we're probably about 12,000.
12,000?
The umbrella's new.
What a deal! Yeah.
But over 10 years. This is a 10-year project.
This happened in
I can't
like
just do a big patio like this and put crappy plastic furniture on it. It's not happening. There's no reason to do the patio if you're going to put crappy furniture on it. This is never going to need replacing.
with our kids,
the
it's
free
not going to
table?
need replacing.
No, these are not something that you will ever have to replace. And this table, maybe at some point.
Oh, you do realize that's a barbecue in the back and not, you know, a clothesline? It's a fire
The
hazard.
kids went swimming yesterday.
Yeah, well, you could have found a better place to dry the stuff out.
If we had a pool here.
Yeah,
a pool
that'll
house
be
to go.
next. I'll wake up one morning and there'll be a swimming pool.
No, I don't need a pool. It would be nice, but I would much rather spend my time doing this stuff than cleaning the pool and saving frogs and all that good stuff.
So do
Anyway,
you
let me
understand
do it.
why I might bring up money once in a while?
I don't,
and
because we used to eat at a picnic table on grass here.
and it was
This is so amazing, and this happened after like 10 years. This is a decade of dreaming. And you know what? I didn't spend money like this. When you do a big project like this, you have to decorate it properly. You don't do a half-ass job getting the beautiful patio you've always wanted and then not do anything around it. This is you have to think of landscaping and designing like a room. This is an extension of our home. It's a room off of our home that's outside. So we furnished our rooms inside, and this is really done well, and it's starting to shape up. I didn't really have a plan for the landscaping, but I just started doing it.
Are we done? Like, is this good? Like,
Pretty much.
what if I said maybe a big screen TV, like right on that wall right there?
I just divorced you.
Well, no, wait a minute now. Hold on. What's wrong with putting a big screen TV
outside.
up there? Yeah, but hey, I'll put a little roof over top of it.
Oh
Sit
yes,
out here.
because that would definitely cozy up this room.
Sit out
you're
here.
missing the point.
Watch some ball games. Turn this into the Prince's Palace back here. What do you
You're
think?
missing the point, and this is not your room; it's my room.
See, that's what I mean. Yeah, it's funny how things change. I got this
Well,
little.
let me enjoy my morning.
I have a man cave
wanna-
downstairs. It's called the laundry room.
I don't want your banter with me today. I want to enjoy my gardens. I want to look at what's eating my potato vine.
Well,
I want to deadhead my flowers.
I want to thank you for proving a point, and I hope all the husbands out there are hearing this. Nothing is free. If your wife comes home with a free item from one of her friends, it's going to cost you. Not 12 grand probably,
Yeah,
but
but the
it will
thing is,
cost you.
It was free, and I didn't have to buy the table that went with these chairs. So for now, I'm happy using that table. I don't like that the food gets stuck in the little grooves, which, you know, she did say that was one of the things that annoyed her, and I'm like, oh, that's no problem, but it is a pain because you have to hose it out, or like it takes a while to clean it all out, and with kids it's definitely happening. So
Well, it's a good thing that our maid's on vacation, because boy oh boy.
she'll be back maybe late September.
Yeah.
Late September. Look how beautiful.
She's on a
everything is.
coffee
But I
break.
gotta tell you, you missed this hardscape. I know we covered it in one of the other videos, but this round arbor, this moon arch, it's like, this is the thing. You like come out the kitchen and you walk here and you can see my beautiful gardens from here. And I love it.
You just bought the bench so I wouldn't ride my bike through it. That is kind of cool. I'll give you that, honey.
And when that's blooming, like it's almost just like this little peephole that you're gonna look through and see like this gorgeous vision of my sun garden when it goes off. It's just exciting. Like I just like that vision. That, and it's kind of unique to put it there because most people use that as an entrance or a wedding arbor or. And I'm excited. So I think it's. I do have. I am gonna get climbing roses though to put up on this side. I have to put the garden fencing up here because these are climbers, they're annuals, but they're definitely spiraling around the edges and I need them to spread out like this one. It has the green garden fence on the other side that's helping it climb and you know, do its thing. I need the same thing on that side, so you can help me cut that wire later and do the other side so I can start weaving it up and around, but that's another time. So yeah, but that's another good hardscaping thing. Great, you turned this Sunday morning into a hardscape edition video. There you go.
Coffee break's over, honey.
It is.
Time to go earn some money.
I know, I actually have to go to my real job right now. So
yeah. Well, good.
I'm
Enjoy.
very sad. Thank you for allowing me to not really enjoy my 20 minutes of quiet out here.
Well, I'm sorry, but nothing in life is free, I guess.
In my lovely attire.
All right, honey. Don't be surprised if you come back and there's a big screen TV on that wall.
Don't be surprised if I rip it off.
Oh, I won't be. Bye, honey.
Bye.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks. Started out great.
Yeah, you're working for a bridge today. Unbelievable.